Alright guys, so I bought this bonsai 6-foot tall dinosaur, Dino sprinkler, Dino splash sprinkler. Okay, let's see how it works. Pulled it out. I've got my kiddie pool over here. Got my little Jaguar floaty there. I'm going to put it back over there and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so Dino splash sprinkler. Here you go. There's your little Pink Panther. It's a little bit of a pain to inflate because you got to inflate the body, each leg independently, and the body takes a minute. I think it took about 20 minutes to set it up, but it's got a little spray. Put the hose right there. You fill this up with water, so you fill the water up here. This is the fill line. Then you finish it off with pumping up air, so that way it's stable. It's hard to move it, but yeah, I mean it's pretty for what it is. 24 bucks. It's not bad at all. So.
Whoa, Daddy, you ready?
Yeah, you ready? Come on. What's that? Is that a dinosaur?
Yeah.
All right, let's hop in. All right, everyone. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how this looks. It is about, 5'10", so not necessarily 6 feet.
I like it.
All right, it's Rico approved. Hop in. Let's go.